Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're docking at the enchanting Naples port for the luxurious embassy cruise. Get ready to dive into the heart of Naples' rich history and vibrant culture as we wander through its narrow alleys, see its castle, marvel at stunning churches, and browse at the elegant Galleria. Stay tuned as we uncover the hidden gems of Naples. We're kicking off this video with a fun clip from the Embassy Cruise Lounge, recorded while we were sailing the high seas.
Now we've arrived in Naples. Our first stop is Castelnuovo. Naples is one of those ports whereby it's a bit ideal to be there because everything is really easy to walk to. You will be greeted by a big sign that says Naples the moment you leave the port, and from there you'll be at the plaza already, ready to explore what Naples has to offer. The castle right outside the port is called Castelnuovo, and you will see that immediately once you arrive at the port of Naples. After we saw that site, we went to the San Carlos Theater, and then off we went to the Royal Palace of Naples. The palace is beautiful to see in real life. We saw some magnificent arches and beautiful staircases. I would recommend visiting this palace. You can also go inside if you have a little bit more time. Currently, it's still being used by the government in Naples as office administration building. People are welcome to see the palace though, so do feel free to enter it and explore inside. Next, we're on to the Basilica Reale Pontificia San Francesco de Paola, which is one of the main churches in Naples. Inside, they have beautiful sculptures, loads of art. It reminds me a little bit of some of the churches in Rome, and it's just so awe-inspiring to see it and admire the masterpieces of art that is inside this church. We said a little prayer inside as we were admiring the beauty of the church. It looks like a palace. You can imagine how Naples once was during its glory days. Outside the church, it is a little grungy because of the graffiti around it, which of course contributes to the diverse culture of Naples today. There are some cafes near the church that you could enjoy sfogliatella, which is a pastry famous in Naples, as well as a coffee. Next stop is the Galleria Umberto I. This domed, open, high street shopping area reminded me of the one in Milan. This is such a beautiful place. It's not as crowded as the one in Milan, but it still holds the same magnificent architectural beauty. I'd recommend you to sit down, have coffee here, and have some Italian dessert and pastries because it's such a marvel to see in real life. Around Naples, of course, you cannot leave Naples without tasting an authentic Neapolitan pizza. Again, I went to Google Maps and checked out which restaurants near me had more than 4.7 star reviews. And I went to a quaint little place in the town, midst the alleys of Naples, and had a fantastic Neapolitan pizza. In this place, we ordered 2 Neapolitan pizza, their house specialties, fried anchovies, we had red wine, which was delicious with a pizza, and we also tried an interesting, unique little thing they had there, which was a bowl of pasta, and on top of it was Neapolitan pizza dough. So the way the server served it was that you were going to put the pasta on top of the dough and then eat it like it was pizza. And they had 2 different types. One had potato and cheese. The one we ordered had seafood. That was a fantastic meal. I really do recommend that you go to an authentic restaurant, highly rated, highly reviewed one in the center, because they really do take pride in their dough, and the dough was amazing. Next, we explored more of Naples, went on to Old Town. In the past, we did go to Naples a few different times because it is the gateway to the Amalfi Coast, which I will be talking about in another video. Naples is such a great place because not only does the Naples city center offer quite a different culture and view from the neighboring Amalfi cities, but it also has a lot of little alleys and little shops in the old town, which is a little bit further out of the other town, which is near the port. In the old town, there's other churches, there's other shopping areas, lots of little architecture, lots of alleys. Naples is just one of those cities where you feel like you're in a movie. And every alley looks like it came out of a Hollywood film. And so I would really recommend that you take your time and explore Naples. Have a few meals, have a few authentic Neapolitan meals, and give the city some time, a much deserved time to be explored. From Naples, you can go to Capri, you can go to Positano, you can go to Amalfi, you can go to Sorrento, which I've done many times in the past. Naples is such a great place to fly into because there are so many different little towns waiting for you to be explored. The views are always breathtaking, and the food is always spectacular.
Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the Naples port. We hope you enjoyed exploring the historic streets, majestic castles, stunning basilicas, and vibrant culture as much as we did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures.